Good morning. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. It's a little bit chilly out, which makes me very excited for future fall weather that I know is to come. I have impulsively decided to do a little project. I want to build a little shelf for my countertop for some coffee cups and just some other little coffee related things that I have. I think that will also free up at least half of my cabinet space in the one area. So yeah, and I just think it'll be cute. So I'm gonna pop up a picture on the screen here of kind of like the inspiration for it. I don't know whose original photo it is, but if you do, let me know and I will credit them. So that's what we're doing today. I already have some lumber here in front of me because of course I start these things right in my living room. I'm gonna take some measurements and yeah, I don't think this will take more than today and probably tomorrow because I'll have to stain it, but let's get it done.
Something about you isn't right. I swear you can make me lose my mind. Lying here awake at night. This is love and I don't want it. Why you gotta be so complicated? I'm sick and tired of contemplating. I don't wanna be here waiting. If this is love, then I don't want it. I can't be the one you keep running to whenever you feel down. I can't be that someone who'll always be there when something's wrong. I can't rely on you now.
Needless to say, this is an unconventional setup, but it works for now. That board that you see that's already stained, I just grabbed and used from my basement because it was the right size. You know, sometimes my projects are really organized, and then other times, you know, you're using pumpkins to put weight on something and bins, and it's just not all that organized, and that's okay. Because sometimes you're just trying to get the job done. I brought the shelf out to my kitchen table, which I probably should have done in the first place. It's just a more stable surface to work on. I'm gonna finish this piece up in here.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
In a situation like this where I need a really precise measurement so that the shelf fits, instead of using a measuring tape, I am just going to put my board directly up against the shelf and mark it and measure it that way. I think this is just a safer method instead of trying to get an absolutely precise measurement from a measuring tape.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Alright, I think we're done for right now. This was one of the most disorganized DIYs I've done in a while. I think it's because it was just so impulsive that it's fine. So I did go in with a little bit of wood filler just in a couple spots, but not many because I don't want something that looks factory produced. Not that it would be perfect anyway, but I like when things look like, hey, I just wanted to build this project and I worked with what I had, and you know, it has its imperfections. So that's gonna dry. I'll have to just lightly sand a couple of those spots and then I'll be ready to stain it. I elected to go with a gel stain here. I just think that it will cover better and will make the whole shelf look more uniform. Sometimes with oil stains, particularly when you're using different scraps of wood, it can really end up looking a bit uneven. The gel stain, however, will just make this piece look much more uniform. So here's how it is looking so far. I think I'm actually going to take it out on the deck and leave it overnight to dry. I just think that will make the process quicker. Alright, we are back. I've got it here behind me. I left it out on the deck overnight to dry, and then I did also add, although I forgot to film it, some little like felt feet to the bottom of it, so that way it's not scratching or kind of rubbing against the countertop itself. I love these things. They're great for so many reasons. So it came out, I think, really cute. It reminded me of being little and being down in my parents' basement in my dad's workshop, and he would be working on like a real project, and I would be gluing wood scraps together and staining them or painting them to make my own little project. So it kind of reminded me of that in a way. So I think it came out really cute. I love the little imperfections. I love that it looks used and worn already. So we're going to put this up, get it styled, and start to enjoy it.
No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I'm blinded by this concrete, and I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you.
Alright, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked this simple DIY. It's definitely a project that you can get done on the weekend. The longest part of it is just if you stain it or paint it and then letting it dry. But just a really simple project that I really like the look of. So if you did enjoy this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, you can subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I will see you guys for the next video. Take care of yourselves in the meantime. Bye guys.